Hey guys, what's up?
We're just hanging at the upper level entrance to the sports center.
Hey, I couldn't help but notice you had some facial hair under that nose. What's the special occasion?
Oh, this old thing?
Mm-hmm.
This is my Assembly Moustache. I wear it during Spirit Week.
Oh, I forgot mine at home.
I think there's something in your ear.
I believe you are mistaken.
Anyway, there's an assembly this Friday. Everyone should go.
That should be a lot of fun.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Corey, we forgot to handshake goodbye.